In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stabilize shaky footage in Adobe Premiere Pro with Warp Stabilizer. If you've got a great shot that's a bit wobbly, Premiere Pro's Warp Stabilizer can quickly smooth things out without leaving your timeline. First, make sure you've placed the shaky clip in your timeline and select it. Click directly on the clip you want to fix, so Premiere knows exactly where to apply the effect. If you're working with several clips, apply stabilization one at a time so each piece gets the right treatment. Next, apply Warp Stabilizer. Head to the effects panel, open Video Effects, then Distort, and you'll find Warp Stabilizer. You can also use the search bar in the effects panel. Just type Warp, then drag Warp Stabilizer onto your selected clip. As soon as it's applied, look to the Effect Controls panel to see the settings you'll be adjusting. Premiere immediately starts analyzing the clip in the background. You'll notice a blue message that says Analyzing in Background. You can keep working elsewhere in the timeline while it runs, but let it finish on this clip before judging the result. Now refine the stabilization in the effect controls. The smoothness setting defaults to 50%. Think of this as the strength of the correction. Lower values give a more natural, subtle fix, while higher values push for stronger smoothing. Stronger smoothing often means more cropping or scaling, so start with the default and only increase it if you need more stability. Under Method, you'll see options like Subspace Warp, which is the most advanced and can correct complex motion, and simpler choices like Position or Position Scale Rotation. If your footage starts to look rubbery or stretched with Subspace Warp, try switching to Position Scale Rotation for a more rigid camera-like correction, or go all the way down to Position for basic minimal changes. For borders, choose how Premiere handles the edges created by stabilization. Stabilize Crop Auto Scale is a helpful default because it automatically zooms in